Question 15. The diagram shows the market for a product before and after the introduction of a subsidy. So subsidy shifts the supply curve to the right. Okay, which area represents the total amount paid in subsidies? Oh, maybe this one's easy. Let's see. STVQ. Right? So I'm just going to STVQ. So the answer must be C. When you provide a subsidy, when the government provides a subsidy, they increase the supply, so price falls. Demand, there's a movement along the demand curve, and more people will buy, but they'll buy at the lower price. So they won't buy at Q. They won't buy at R. They will buy at Q. And unfortunately, the costs before the subsidy at T2, the costs are at T. So the firm's costs are here for T2 quantity, but the price they could receive is Q. So the government must pay the difference. And the difference is, I say STVQ, they say QSTV. QSTV. Must be true. That's based on the one price theory. If you can only charge everyone the same price, that there's no price discrimination in this example. It would be quite different with price discrimination, but that's not what they said, right? So question 16 says, the graph shows the total economic welfare derived by citizens from a government's expenditure on health and education services. Okay, here's total economic welfare, and healthcare is more efficient, apparently. If the government has $60 billion to allocate between health and education services, which allocation will give its citizens the highest level of welfare? They have 60 million total, so I think this one's easy. We do 40 health care and 20 education, because that total is, we could spend 60 on health care, right? And that's choice D, but that's wrong, because that gives us this amount of benefit, total economic welfare. If we add 40, the benefit from 40, spending 40 billion on health and 20 billion on education, our total is somewhere here. So 40 healthcare. Answer for this question is C. Must be C, right?